Yeah, so two parts to it. One is where we see future is heading, and second thing, what we are doing or where we are. So, if you ask me, our biggest goal is to, make this whole approach, this problem, not a facility manager problem, but a CXO problem. I think that takes up most of my time, right? Because frictionless future is not just about facility manager; it is more about everybody, because it is ultimately the end user who is getting this friction. So how it can be a bigger agenda, right? How people should care about it more rather than thinking it as a tool that lies with the facility management. So that is something which we want to do more. From a future of visitor management, if you really ask me, I don't know it will happen or not, but I feel that we should stop actually calling it visitor management, but we should actually start calling it a people flow system. It's ultimately about managing the people flow across physical spaces, and those spaces are not just workplaces or residences, hospitals, airports, any place where people are moving. How you can make it all, the people flow completely seamless. If you ask me, the future is magic gate, a gate in which we all enter, we are automatically registered, authenticated, yet we never get to know. So if we can have that day where you can just move into any premise like you enter into your own home, without really worrying about anything, and then of course a lot of things have to come together, the physical technology, the sensors, the AI, everything. But I think that is the future we all should aspire for, that one day we will have those kind of magic gates. So yeah, that is what we believe in.
Uh, I think Utkarsh kind of said my words. Magic gate, he said. So we are all about access control to doors, right? So we believe that the goal of any software which is meant for visitor management or people access is being able to provide them seamless experience at end to end. And from that point of view, we are focused on specific technologies which can enable this for visitors when it comes to door access. So we're investing in technologies like UWB, ultra wideband, which is a technology which is now available in most high-end phones and will be there across phones. So what a Bluetooth and NFC have been there for a lot of time, long time, but they don't provide that seamless experience. Like magically, just you walking through the gate door and everything, the door just opens for you without you having to do anything, right? That experience can only be provided to certain new technologies where we are investing in. Obviously, facial recognition is another area where we have been focused on. We have launched some of our solutions with that. But intent of using technologies is to provide a seamless experience for the users.
I completely agree with whatever everyone's saying here. More integrations, but one of the topmost priorities for Hipla at least is to get customers to start using what we have already built. So for us, it's less of a build mode now because I think we've built quite a lot already. Coincidentally, like with any other product, most of our customers only use like 10% of what we have built. So I think it's all going to be about education of those features, how they can help them, so on and so forth. So for us, it's more about a sell mode versus a build mode. Naturally, we are keeping our eyes around, what's happening with integrations with AI, but nothing disruptive coming from our end as of now.
Yeah. So I think if I'll talk about the future, I think Utkarsh mentioned rightly that something that makes the experience seamless for the visitor is the thing. It can be like let's say it can be a voice-based assistant that would be just asking you rather than filling up a form on a tablet. It's a, like an AI avatar talking to you and quickly asking you questions, or like there's a pre-fill sort of a system which can just let you in next 2 3 seconds to get inside you. So I think that that is the thing that where the world would love to go, and where the AI system would help them reach. And for us, like visitor, our main focuses might not be like going towards that thing as of now, but yeah, definitely the thing is like our main focus has been from like early days has been the SMEs, like, because a lot of enterprises usually top level management usually have that intent to implement those systems. But in SMEs, like what we have seen, slowly, gradually, that thing has coming up. Like people are seeing that they want the system, but cost is again an angle to it. So that is where our target is. Like if we can have a very high adoption on the SME side, then that is what we would be focusing on for coming like some time.
So the way I see visitor management going forward for the future is that it has to be there's going to be a lot more integrations. So that's already started with. I mean, access control is essential, and integrating with then video surveillance cameras, and then wayfinding solutions, meeting room systems, license plate recognition cameras. So for the workplace experience to for the whole workflow to work well, it all has to be synchronized, and that's where visitor management will head. It won't be standalone; it'll have to come aligned with something else for it to really give the best experience to the visitor and the best output for the company. And that's where I see it in the future.